Hello and welcome back to another episode of Language Player's How-To series. In this video, I'll explain to you how you can study phrasebooks in Language Player's dictionary. Let's get started. So let's go to dictionary and then go to phrasebooks. If you have ever traveled, you might have purchased a phrasebook which covers the basics of the day-to-day expressions of a language to help you quickly use them in a traveling situation, right? So that's a traveling phrasebook. So phrasebooks in Language Player works exactly the same. So these are collections of phrases. For example, if I press the feature word list, top phrases in Chinese drama, I'm going to press on that. And then I see that a lot of Chinese words or phrases from dramas are loaded here. For example, 再说了. If you press on that, you see examples in Chinese dramas. Right. Now, these phrases are actually extracted from Chinese dramas that we have in our database. So based on our database, we have run some computation and then extracted all the top phrases from these dramas and listed them here in the phrasebook kind of format so that you can go through these top most common phrases in Chinese dramas one by one. And to do that, you can just go to the top. Okay, if you want to go from the first one to the last one, you can just press on the first one, and then you can use this interface to paginate through the phrasebook. Now, as I have mentioned before, what a phrase is basically a string of Chinese characters or any language characters that is not found in the dictionary. Right? Sometimes this phrase is consisting of multiple words. So it's a string of words that can be a phrase too. An entire sentence can be a phrase. So sometimes these phrases can be found in a dictionary and sometimes they cannot. In the case it can be found in the dictionary, then we'll show this flashcard with definitions and pronunciation on top. And in the case it is not. For example, say 我告诉你, right? 我告诉你 is definitely not a word in itself. It's made up of 我, I, 告诉, to tell, 你, you, right? So in this case, instead of having a save word button, you have a save phrase button. So you can save this as a phrase, and this is saved into your phrasebook in My Phrases. All right, so if we paginate to the right, this is again a phrase. And of course, the system remembers where you have left off. It knows that you have gone to the word 行了 or number 56 in this deck. And you can also open them and then use the flashcard system to test yourself. Go through all these phrases and see which ones you remember. You can save the phrases that you do not know so that you can learn them later on. And make sure to go to Phrasebooks and then browse through these phrasebooks that are available here. For example, there are some phrasebooks based on just the Untamed drama and also the Go Ahead drama. There are also the Ultimate Chinese Word List, which is very, very long. And it has phrasebooks of cities in China, Chinese foods, words in HSK levels, and words in HSK 7 to 9, and then some random other phrasebooks. And that's how you can study various phrasebooks in Language Player. I'll see you in the next video.